Okay, what we're doing is taking out this Moen cartridge. We had to slip off this sleeve that was going over here. Then we had to pull out this pin that was in the slot right here. Alright, so the cartridge, this tool goes on there, it's supposed to be able to turn it, pull it out. This tool actually broke. So I use this to grab onto the shaft and pull against the body of the manifold. Let's try to pull that out here, see what happens. It's in there pretty good. Hold on 1 second. Okay, as you see, we pulled this out forcefully, and the piece of the gasket broke off. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here it is right here. So there's a piece missing on the end. You got to make sure that piece is not down in your manifold. Looks like we're good to go. So this cartridge goes in this slot, and this slot face here. Alright. It's already lubed up, ready to go. Go easy when you install it. It's just plastic. Alright, let's take this pin. That's what holds this cartridge all the way in there. Put the pin back in there. Make sure the pin goes between the slots, right down in there. Sometimes it doesn't want to go that easy. Hold on 1 second there. Alright, so now you can see the pin is back down in there and smooth right here. So that means it's actually installed in the proper position. Okay, now we got the pin all the way in there. It goes just barely below the surface. If you look down here, you can see that the pin is into the second channel, the cutout there. Alright. It's that easy. Once you put that pin in there, the valve body cannot come back out. Alright. Go ahead and put your sleeve back on. Put your handle back on. Now this valve turns all the way around. So if you go to turn the water back on and the water is 180 degrees off, just take this back off and turn around your valve like this, 180 degrees, and then put the handle back on. Because the stop inside here stops right here. Alright, so this valve turns all the way around, I mean the cartridge. So if it's 180 degrees off, the hot and cold is off, just turn it around. Go ahead and put your handle back on and you're good to go. It's that easy. If they don't stick, this should take you only about 5 minutes. That's a Moen 1225B Cartridge, Home Depot. They're about $19.99.